In this video, we learn how the best brands use graphics and signage in store displays to communicate messages to their customers. We'll see how they tell stories through pictures and words, stories about the brand's values, and how the brand is trying to solve the cultural issues that concern the customers. Every brand tries to keep fresh with new ideas and products, and that's another message that brands convey through signage. In the window display, signage and graphics can attract the customer and help her decide to go in and shop. Once in the store, they can help the customer realize the value of the products and help persuade her to buy. Brands also use the display to show the customer how they solve her needs so that she can establish an emotional connection with the brand. Graphics and signage really work hard for the merchandiser and get their story across.